Jai Guruji Sangat Ji. Gratitude is the only word coming to my mind as I, Nidhi Rao, construe the chapter 18 of the book Surcharged with Divine Love, written by an ardent devotee, Sukhmani Auntie, in the memory of our loving Guruji Maharaj. This chapter is a personification of Guruji's magnanimity and love for his children. It is an extraordinary tale of belief and its fruit. Here I begin the reading of chapter 18, My Grandfather's Last Days. A few months before my grandfather was to fall ill, Guruji started giving us hints. Sukhi auntie, your father is a saint. You must keep him happy. Take him out somewhere and all of you enjoy. Guruji often told my mother. We were sensing that something was probably going to happen to him and started spending more time with him. On the 11th of May 2001, Guruji's mother was cremated at Dugri village. After the cremation, Guruji told his family to feed my grandfather langar first. Give langar to Gill uncle first, he has to go, said Guruji. We didn't realize the meaning of his words, since according to us, Daddy, as I lovingly called my grandfather, had no plans of going anywhere. After langar, we were the first ones to be given agya or permission to go. As my grandfather bowed down before Guruji, he said, Gill uncle, full blessings. It's now time to go. I still didn't understand the meaning of Guruji's words until halfway to Chandigarh. My grandfather showed signs of sickness. As soon as we reached Chandigarh, he had a major paralytic attack and his left side was paralyzed. I tried to ring up someone who I knew would be with Guruji at that time and requested him to give the phone to Guruji. Guruji came online and said, I have given him my full blessings. Don't worry, just take him to the hospital. We rushed him to the government hospital in Sector 32, Chandigarh, with just rupees 4,000 in our possession. Since my mother and I were living with him, we never questioned him about any of his bank accounts or where he kept his money. As we reached the hospital, I saw we were not alone. Guruji had sent his Sangat to help us with the initial formalities at the hospital and for emotional support. The major issue that was bothering me and my mother was money. How and where were we to get it? The next day, my mother's cousin came and handed her rupees 10,000, with the help of which my grandfather's treatment was started till my uncle, that is my mother's brother, took over. My grandfather stayed in hospital for 3 months with a break of 1.5 months where he was sent home. Your grandfather will come home just once. Guruji had told us much before time. In the first phase of his stay in the hospital, he was conscious and would always be doing path. His eyes would be closed, but he could describe everything going on not only at the hospital but at home as well. One day I rushed to the hospital without having my milk, and as soon as I opened the door to my grandfather's room, he said, Today you have not had your milk, you are hungry. My uncle would give me money by the day for the medicines and tests, and at the night I had to return him everything that was left. I could not, however, use that money on my mother or myself. My mother and I would leave at 8:30 in the morning and to do our duty at the hospital till 8:30 at night. We would pack our lunch with us and eat it at the hospital. We had absolutely no money of our own and completely dependent on what my uncle gave us to run the house, which was not enough. Soon the kitchen became empty and we all were left with was a drum full of lentils that came from the farm. For 3 months we had nothing but lentils and chapatis for lunch and dinner. During the 12-hour stay at the hospital, I would sometimes feel hungry and there would be no money to eat anything. I rang up Guruji and told him of our situation and he said, ਜੇ ਰੱਬ ਰਿਜਕ ਪਾਥਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਕੀੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਵੇਗਾ ਰੱਬ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ If God can provide food to the insects living in stones, why would He not provide for you? God looks after and provides for His each and every one of His creations. One day, I decided to change the purse I was carrying since it was too small. I had bought a purse from Bombay, now Mumbai, that I had never used and decided to take that instead. It was a brand new purse with its paper stuffing still inside it. I removed the stuffing and transferred all my stuff into it. I saw it had an inner pocket that was zipped closed. As I opened it, I was surprised to see that it was full of 5 rupee coins. At the hospital, whenever we got hungry, we would use that money to buy something from the canteen and eat. I noticed that no matter how much I took out from it, the pocket never got empty. This was Guruji's way of providing for us. The money in the purse never finished till the day my mother and I were financially stable. Guruji's blessings and presence in the hospital room was not only felt by us but also by the doctors, nurses, and many others who would just walk into the room, touch my grandfather's feet, and leave. There were times people would come and ask us as to what we were using to keep the room so fragrant. It was Guruji's fragrance that kept coming off and on in the room. My grandfather too would talk about Guruji visiting him and would often talk to him. I questioned Guruji about the strange happenings in the hospital room and the things my grandfather was talking about. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਉਸ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਨਾ ਜੀ ਜੋ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਸਭ ਸੱਚ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਨਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ You don't know what all is going on in the room. What your grandfather is talking about is all true because I am showing him what lies on the other side. I have shown him everything. He has seen so much that now he will not want to come back. That means he won't get better, I asked. ਉਹ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਸਿਰਫ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਰਮ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਰਹਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਜਨਮ ਮਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ ਹੱਸ ਕੇ ਕਰ ਲੋ He is not sick. He is just clearing his debts and working out his karmas so that he won't ever come back into the cycle of birth and death. Guruji further added, "He is in bed for the two of you, my mother and me. It is in your karmas to serve and look after him. Do so with a smile." My grandfather soon showed signs of recovery, and the doctors were amazed to see the progress. He continued to talk about seeing Guruji and sometimes seeing Guruji as Shivji. Whenever he was seeing things, his body language and voice would seem to change. I would run to him with a pen and paper and write down everything he said. These were a few things he would talk about. God is light, and light is love. I see light of all colors. The light says, "You are mine." "Daddy, who is God? Can you see him?" I asked. "Yes, I see God. God is light. The light speaks to me. It says, 'Here, love is your guide.' I see love and I see light. Light is reality." "Daddy, will I ever see the light?" I probed. "Yes, you can see the light when you learn to love. Love even those who you dislike. Love your enemies, and the light will love you." Will this light cure you, or will it take you with it? I asked. "मुझे साथ रख लेगी." The light is here to take me and keep me with it. The light speaks to me. It says, "I am here." Light loves you and you love light. The light says, "You must come to me." When you love light, the light will love you. "Daddy, who is Guruji?" I asked him one day, and when he seems to be seeing things, he is light. गुरुजी आए हैं, कहते हैं सब ठीक हो जाएगा, जो होगा ठीक होगा, जो होना चाहिए वो ही होगा, चिंता मत करो. Guruji has come. He is saying that what is happening is for the good. Don't worry. "Daddy, how long will you be in the hospital?" I asked. "A short while, not very long. Guruji is Shiv. He sometimes come to me as Guruji and sometimes as Shivji." गुरुजी शिव जी हैं, मुझे कहते हैं कुछ देर की तकलीफ़ है, ठीक हो जाएगी. गुरुजी is Shiv. He is telling me that everything will be all right and this illness is only for a short time. "Why has Guruji come into this world?" I asked. "To look after his people and to cure them. He has a lot of power and can do anything." सचखंड में दिन रात पाठ चलता है. गुरु जी की कृपा से वहाँ बहुत आदमी हैं. In Sachkhand, heaven, there are prayers going on all the time. It is very peaceful because of Guruji. There are a lot of people who have come here. गुरुजी मालिक हैं, सारी दुनिया आप चलाते हैं, जो चाहे कर सकते हैं. अगर अपनी असली पावर दिखा दे तो दुनिया पागल हो जाएगी. गुरुजी runs the entire universe himself. Whatever he wants can happen. He is very powerful, and if he showed his power to people in the world, they will go mad. गुरुजी आए हैं, कह रहे हैं सब ठीक हो जाएगा. तुम्हारे परिवार से मेरा पुराना संबंध है, मुझे इस घर में आकर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. गुरुजी has come. He is saying everything will be all right. I have an old relationship with you and your family. I love coming to you. Daddy, क्या संबंध है? Meaning, Daddy, what relation did we had with Guruji? I probed. महापुरुष नहीं बता सकते, अपनी मर्जी से आते हैं, हम सबसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. महापुरुष never tells. He comes and goes at will. He loves us all very much. Whenever I get a bit worried, Guruji comes to me and tells me not to worry. He has a strong light on his forehead. This human form that he has taken is only for you. He is pure light. He controls everything and has everything in his hands. Many times he comes and sprinkles Amrit on me. Jai Guruji Sangat Ji. We will continue with the reading of chapter 18, and this is the part 2. Don't ask for anything. If you have to ask, ask for Guruji. गुरुजी के मत्थे से ब्राइट लाइट निकलती है. जिस चीज़ को हाथ लगा देते हैं वो सफ़ेद हो जाती है. There is a bright light coming from Guruji's forehead. Whatever he touches becomes white. Guruji has come. He is sitting on my bed, but is not saying anything. He is constantly looking at me. गुरुजी आए हैं. कहते हैं घबराना नहीं. मैं कहता हूँ मालिक आपके होते हुए मैं क्यों घबराऊँ. Guruji has come. He is saying not to worry. I replied that Guruji, with you I don't need to worry. Guruji has come. He is telling you, my mother and me, to remain happy. Guruji is in the room. He is saying, be happy. Why are you not happy? I only need your love. गुरुजी आए हैं. कहते हैं गिल अंकल, जिथे तू पहुँचना सी पहुँच गया. जाहे जी मौज करदा सी करेगा. तैनू सब कुछ मिल गया है. होर की लेना है. इस तो ज़्यादा होर किते नहीं मिलना. गुरुजी दे बगैर लाइट नहीं है. Guruji is again here. He is telling me that he has given me everything. He is saying, Gil uncle, you have reached where you had to reach. What else do you want? There is nothing else beyond this. Without Guruji, there is no light. Today, Guruji showed me Chitte Kapde Wali Duniya, a place where everyone is dressed in white and everything seems to be white. It is very beautiful place and Guruji मालिक हैं. मालिक कहते हैं एक ही रब है और रब लाइट है. बाकी मालिक दा हुक्म है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ और नहीं दसना. Guruji is the creator and he is telling me that there is only one God and God is light. Rest I don't have the permission to tell you. गुरुजी आए हैं. कहते हैं हम भी, माई मदर एंड मी, दुनिया में फंसे हुए हो और मंगते हो. डोंट डिमांड. जो मालिक देते हैं लिए जाओ. गुरुजी इज़ हियर एंड ही इज सेइंग टू मी एंड माई मदर that we too are stuck in the worldly desires and keep asking for more. Guruji is saying, don't demand. Whatever God gives you, just keep taking it. मालिक कहते हैं मांग ले जो चाहता है. मैंने कहा मालिक जो तूने दिया है वो भी ठीक है, जो तूने नहीं दिया वो भी ठीक है. तो मालिक ने कहा इसलिए नहीं दिया कि कहीं मुझे भूल न जाओ. Guruji says, Daddy had started addressing Guruji as Malik. Ask me whatever you desire. So I said that whatever you had given me is good and whatever you haven't given me is good too. So Guruji replies, I never gave you anything and everything because I didn't want you to forget God. मालिक कहते हैं अपना उधार चुका ले वरना पछताएगा. मेरी चाह और खाने का उधार है. मंडे शिव जी का दिन लोगों को चाय और लंगर खिला दो. गुरुजी सेज पे योर डेट्स और यू विल बी वेरी सॉरी. आई हैव अ डेप्ट ऑफ फीडिंग समवन टी and food. On Monday, which is Shivji's day, feed people from my side and give them tea to drink. आज सुबह घंटियों की आवाज़ आई। गुरुजी मेरे पास मट्टी कलर के कपड़ों में आए और बहुत हंसे। मालिक बहुत सुंदर हैं। This morning I heard bells ringing and Guruji came to me wearing mud color clothes. He laughed a lot. God is very beautiful. Daddy, what does God look like? I asked. He said, अगर शक्ल पता चल जाए तो लोग दुनिया छोड़ देंगे, इतने खूबसूरत हैं। If we come to know what he looks like, we would probably want to leave this world and go to him. He is so beautiful. आज गुरुजी ने मुझे एक ऐसी दुनिया दिखाई जहाँ बहुत बड़े और सुंदर फूल हैं। 100 साल तक उन फूलों में खूब खुशबू रहती है। राजाओं और महाराजाओं में इन फूलों के पीछे जंग होती जाती है। Today, Guruji showed me a place where there are very big, beautiful flowers. The fragrance in them remains for hundreds of years, and sometimes there is a war between kings for their possession. ऊपर की दुनिया बहुत सुंदर है। ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं देख सकते क्योंकि आंखें चुंधिया जाती हैं। जिन लोगों के कर्म ख़त्म हो जाते हैं वही सचखंड में रहते हैं। The world beyond is very beautiful. You can't look at it for too long as it's so bright that your eyes get blinded with the glow. Only people who have finished their karmas can live there. I asked Daddy if I too had many debts to pay off, debts like food, clothing, money, etc. He replied, हाँ, बहुत कर्ज चुकाने हैं। खाना खिला, कपड़े बांट, पर ऊपर पैसा नहीं चलता, सिर्फ प्यार चलता है। Yes, you have many debts to pay off. Feed the hungry, clothe the ones who don't have any. But remember, up there is no such thing called money. There is only love. गुरुजी मालिक हैं, सबसे ऊपर हैं। शक्ल अलग है। गुरुजी शिव जी हैं। शिव जी को देखना बहुत मुश्किल है। इंसान घबरा जाते हैं, पर मैं नहीं घबराया। गुरुजी इज़ द क्रिएटर। ही इज़ द मोस्ट हाईएस्ट पोजीशन। ही इज़ शिव। टू सी शिव जी is not easy as people get scared. But I didn't get scared on seeing him. Daddy, have you seen Shivji? I asked. He replied, हाँ, मैंने बहुत बार देखा है। मुझे दर्शन देते हैं। कभी मैं उनके पास तो कभी वो मेरे पास आ जाते हैं। मुझसे कहते हैं ये दुनिया वो नहीं है जो तू समझता है। Yes, I have seen him many times. Sometimes I go to him and at other times he comes to me. He tells me that this world is not what you see or think. गुरुजी द साढ़े ऊपर पूरी कृपा है। जब तक गुरुजी हैं हमारा कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता। मालिक द साढ़े ऊपर हाथ है। Guruji has his full blessings on us. As long as we are with Guruji, nothing bad can happen to us. He has his hand over all of us. ज़रूरतमंदों को छोड़ना नहीं। खिलाओ, पिलाओ, दान करो, गरीब को दो। एक की जगह 10 आएंगे। खुद भूखे रह जाओ, पर भूखे आदमी को घर से भूखा नहीं जाने चाहिए। ये नहीं कर सकते तो तुम्हारा क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? Don't ever desert a needy person. Feed people. Give charity. If you give one thing, 10 things will come to you in its place. Remain hungry. But make sure no one goes hungry from your house. If you can't do this much, then what are you worth? गुरुजी तुमसे इसलिए प्यार करते हैं क्योंकि तुम दोनों खाने का दान करते हो। इस दान से ऊंचा कोई दान नहीं है। दान न देने से तुम्हारा नुकसान है और किसी का नहीं। गुरुजी loves you because you both, mom and me, gives food to the hungry. There is no bigger charity than to feed the hungry. If you don't indulge in charity, it is your own loss. कहो कि हमारे पास सब कुछ है, किसी चीज़ की कोई कमी नहीं है, तो फिर सब कुछ मिलेगा। अगर कहोगे कि कुछ नहीं है तो हम कंगाल हो जाएंगे। Always say that you have plenty and there is nothing that is lacking. If you say this, you will have everything. But if you keep saying you don't have enough, then you will be a pauper. One day, Daddy repeated what I had already seen, light around our house. गुरुजी का कोई रूप नहीं है। शाम को खड़े होकर देखो तुम्हारे आसपास कितनी रोशनी है। हमारे घर के आसपास गुरुजी की लाइट है, गुरुजी की कृपा है। गुरुजी इज़ फॉर्मलेस, ही हैज़ नो फॉर्म। लुक अराउंड यू इन द इवनिंग and you will see Guruji's light glowing around you. Even our house is surrounded by his light, by his blessings. गुरुजी से मांगना बंद करो, पेशेंस सीखो, वेट करना सीखो और मालिक की रज़ा में रहो। जैसे वो रखे उस हाल में रहना सीखो। Stop asking for things from Guruji. Learn patience and learn to wait. Remain in God's will. Learn to live in whatever circumstances He wishes us to live in. I asked Daddy if I too could ever see Guruji the way he was seeing him, and he replied, "You will have to work for it." We were going through hard times, and sometimes I would ask Daddy if we too would ever see happiness, and he would reply, तुम्हारे पास गुरु हैं, इससे बड़ी खुशी दुनिया में कोई नहीं है। You have Guru, and to have a Guru is the highest form of happiness in this world. Daddy, where does Guruji live? He replied, गुरुजी की कुटिया है, उसमें बड़े बड़े हीरे जड़े हुए हैं। इतनी लाइट है कि कोई देख नहीं सकता। तुम सोच नहीं सकते वो कितनी सुंदर जगह है। वो कुटिया पहाड़ की चोटी पर है। You cannot see it because the bright light is so blinding. You cannot even begin to imagine how beautiful it is. It is located on the peak of a mountain. Whenever Guruji comes to me, he comes with his Sangat. He doesn't like being without his Sangat. गुरुजी ने मुझ पर बहुत बख्शीश की है, मुझे उड़ा कर ले जाते हैं। मैंने सारा वर्ल्ड उनके साथ देख लिया है। गुरुजी हैज़ ब्लेस्ड मी immensely. He makes me fly with him, and with Guruji I have seen the whole world. I asked Daddy one day, Daddy, is there someone above Guruji? And he replied, हाँ, उनकी भक्ति। इनके लेवल तक कोई नहीं पहुंच सकता। वो तो आप मालिक हैं। मुझे सब कुछ दिखा दिया है। Yes, if there is anything above Guruji, it is his devotion. There is no one who can reach his level. He is the creator himself. He has shown me everything. Daddy, why did Guruji take form and come himself if he was the creator? Couldn't he send someone else? To which he answered, दुनिया इतनी खराब हो गई है कि डिसीजन लेने के लिए इनकी पावर की ज़रूरत है। सब उनके हुक्म से होता है। The world has become so evil and bad that to take decisions, his power is needed. Everything happens with his wish. Since Guruji's mother had recently expired, I was so curious to know where and how she was. We were with her during her last days in the hospital, and I had grown a special bond with her. Daddy, where is Mataji, Guruji's mother? Mataji बहुत चंगे थाते हैं उते हर कोई नहीं जा सकता हुन असी भी चले जाना है. She is in a very nice place where all cannot reach. Now it's time for me to go as well. Jai Guruji Sangat Ji. We will continue with the reading of chapter 18, and this is the third part. Daddy spoke of his past life where he owned a shop and Guruji often came and sat there with him. Guruji used to call me Mr. Clean because I kept my shop very clean, he said. That is why he is so fond of all of us now in this birth. My grandfather made rapid progress and was finally discharged from the hospital. The doctors were amazed how someone with cancer has no pain and has recovered so fast. Throughout his illness, he never once complained of pain, and the doctors were shocked and told us that such patients receive injections worth lakhs just to subside the pain. During his 1.5 month stay at home, he continued to talk about Guruji visiting him with his Sangat. Not only Guruji, he now started seeing my late grandmother and his own mother. On one particular day, I am ashamed to admit I was too tired to even get up when Daddy instructed me make tea for Guruji and his Sangat. Unable to even move my hand, I took advantage of Daddy's closed eyes, thinking he couldn't probably see, and said, Yes, Daddy, I have made it. You call yourself a disciple of your Guru? You have not made the tea. You have lied, he said. Feeling ashamed, I pulled myself out of the bed to make tea for Guruji. Wanting to test my grandfather's ability to see even with his eyes closed, I put the mug of tea in front of Guruji's photograph kept in another room and prayed to Guruji to accept it. I then went to my grandfather's bed and asked him if Guruji had got the tea. Yes, now Guruji and his Sangat have got the tea, he replied. On another occasion, Daddy told me his mother was with him and that I should make tea for her. As I got up to make tea, he said she wants to have the tea in the pretty tulip mugs in the kitchen. She finds them very beautiful. The mugs with the pretty tulips were given to me by my sister during Daddy's stay in hospital. He had never seen them, nor was he ever fed from them. There was just no way he could have known about them. But he did. Many people kept visiting him, including Guruji, and I was constantly making tea for his visitors. Guruji has shown me that very bad times are going to come. He told me one day, Daddy, how do you see all this? I asked. It's like a TV screen in front of me. I am shown a lot of things like this. On the 24th of July 2001, I woke up to see Daddy very restless. On asking him of what was the cause of his restlessness, he replied, गुरुजी आए थे, मुझे कहते हैं ऐथे आ. मैंने कहा, गुरुजी मैं तो अपाहिज हो गया हूँ, चल नहीं सकता, कैसे आऊँ? फिर भी मैं घिसट कर उनके पीछे चला। मेन गेट से 4 फीट अंदर को वो जगह है जहाँ गुरुजी ने मुझे झप्पी डाली और प्यार किया। मुझे गुरुजी कहते हैं, तुझे मैंने प्रमोट कर दिया, आज के बाद मैंने तुझे सब कुछ दिया। मैंने कहा, गुरुजी मैं इतना सब कुछ लेकर क्या करूँगा? तो गुरुजी ने कहा, तेरे जैसे और बहुत होंगे, तू उनमें बांटेगा। मीनिंग, Guruji came to me and asked me to follow him. I said, I have been paralyzed and I can't walk. Yet I dragged myself to go after him. Near the front gate, 4 feet on the inside, is where he blessed me and hugged me. Guruji then said that he has given me everything. I asked Guruji what I would do of all that he has given to me. And Guruji replied that there will be many like me to whom I can give. My mother and I were instructed to go to that very spot and click a picture. जिस जगह पर गुरुजी ने मुझे ब्लेस किया है, वहाँ उनकी निशानी मिलेगी, उसकी फ़ोटो खींच लो। जिस दिन उस फ़ोटो को तुम अपने पूजा की जगह पर लगाओगे, सब कुछ हो जाएगा। मीनिंग, द प्लेस वेयर गुरुजी blessed me will have a sign of Guruji's presence. Click a photograph of that spot. The day you will get the photograph developed and put in your prayer area, everything will happen. With these instructions, we went outside in the driveway, and 4 feet towards the inside, we saw a shivling made on the concrete floor. I clicked a photograph of the shivling. I could not see anything else. Daddy's condition began to deteriorate, and I forgot about the photograph completely. Daddy was shifted back into the hospital and was operated upon. After the operation, he never came out of his unconsciousness. I remembered about the photograph I was asked to put up in my prayer area, and I immediately went to have it developed. That photograph, when developed and blown up to a bigger size, revealed things that one could never imagine. It had images of the entire universe. I put up this photograph in my prayer area on the 5th of October, and on the 12th of October, within 15 days, as Daddy had told me, Daddy finally left us. I asked Guruji about the strange photograph that Daddy has asked us to click. And Guruji then said, now you can dispose the photograph in running water. I cross-checked the information given to us by Daddy during his stay in the hospital, and Guruji has credited each and every word to be true. In fact, just before Guruji's Mahasamadhi, Guruji had started asking my mother to narrate the things my grandfather told us about. In the last satsang that Guruji did with the Sangat before his Mahasamadhi, he called my mother and told her, Sukhi auntie, 10 ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ मैंने तेरे फादर ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਨਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਦਿਖਾਏ हैं ਹੁਣ मैं रब दिखा देता सारे परिवार ਨੂੰ Sukhi auntie, get up and narrate to all of the Sangat the things I have shown to your father. I have made this family see God. And thus, this was one of the many things he made my mother narrate during his last satsang. The lessons we have learnt during the 3 months of my grandfather's sickness would have otherwise probably have taken us many lifetimes to learn. This experience has brought about a turning point in our lives. Many people came and asked me a question that bothered me a lot. Why, when Guruji called your grandfather a saint, did he suffer so much? One day I asked Guruji the same question. Guruji, please explain why he suffered so much when he never harmed a soul in his life. He was so pious and kind. Why? Guruji very patiently explained. ਸੁਖਮਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਸ ਜਨਮ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 84 ਲੱਖ ਜਨਮ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ। 3 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਰਮ ਖਤਮ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ। ਸਿਰਫ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਕਰਮਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਜਨਮ ਲੈਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ। ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਫਰੀ ਆ। ਸੁਖਮਨੀ you only know of his karmas in this life. I have his files of all his 84 lakh janams. By keeping him in hospital for 3 months, not only his but your karmas were being worked on. He had just a few karmas left. By keeping him for 3 months, I have made him clear them, else he would have had to take another birth just to clear this little bit that was left. Now he is free. I finally understood and decided never to question Guruji again, for he is the supreme master, and what he decides for us will be for our benefit. I thank you, Guruji, for teaching us all such hard and difficult lessons in life by making them so much easier for us to bear and for helping us all work out our individual karmas and become better human beings. And that would be the end of an unfathomable but yet an indelible chapter. I thank Guruji for this great opportunity and most cherishable moment of my life. Shukrana Guruji, Jai Guruji, Anantam Shukrana Guruji.